Good morning and welcome to New Botany. About 10 days ago I collected this plant from Woollerton Park near Woollerton Hall, thinking they were gypsywort, and I placed them immediately in water and roots formed after about 7 days. Very rapid formation of roots. But I got the identification of this plant wrong because immediately as I put it in the water it started developing these capitula of yellow flowers, betraying its identity as a member of the Asteraceae family. And I recognised, I've seen plants like this before, they're part of the bidens group, but there are several types of bidens which can be a little bit tricky to identify. But note with this one, the stems are hairless, and the capitula do not have any rays. I consulted my favourite book of wildflowers by Blamey and colleagues to see what species of bidens this might be, and there were two possibilities. I thought it could be Triffid burr marigold, bidens tripartita, or it could be a nodding burr marigold, bidens cernua, though cernua does tend to have rays to the flowers. So my final conclusion on this identification process was that the plant I have is actually Bidens tripartita, which is interestingly a source of biopharmaceuticals for treating diabetes. And it possesses three groups of compounds that fight diabetes, including cinnarizide and others. The first one I want to talk about is chlorogenic acid, which is one of the most abundant polyphenols in Bidens tripartita. It protects pancreatic beta cells from the effects of hyperglycemia, that's high blood sugar. So that's chlorogenic acid. The second group is cynaricides, and this is creating multiple strong hydrogen bonds to block the enzyme which is involved in diabetes. The final one is luteolin, which is a powerful substance which delays the digestion of carbohydrates, which releases them more slowly into the bloodstream. So please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. But before I leave, I'll just mention that I put these plants in a pot in soil. Now, they're normally annuals, but will they survive onto a second season now that I've put them in pots? I am pretty certain that this plant is Bidens tripartita because it doesn't have hairy stems and it has rayless flowers. Thanks for watching.